Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the stream. This is Connor from Futures Analytica, bringing you guys another live futures trading session. As you can see here, due to this large amount of chop here, even though delta is considerably, or not necessarily high entropy, we are going to be switching it into regression and arming it in both directions. We don't really have a lot of reverse straight zones to work off, or sorry, we don't have a lot of derived zones to work off of here, but we're going to try to invest out of this anyway. You can see here that we got filled into a short trade pretty quickly there, and we ended up winning that trade, bringing us to $405 on the day right off the bat. You can see down here, you can see my live execution speed. Just got filled into a long trade here. When I'm doing my one-on-one install session, is it recorded so I can follow to set up additional license? We don't record it, but you are more than welcome to record it. Didn't even notice we got filled there. We are going to be switching it into trend mode now that we've broken out of this range. How come your bot seems to fill a lot of orders? Mine works, but the frequency of trades is low, even if I set the bot to trade 25 trades a day. Well, Reggie, for starters, if you're setting it to trade 25 times a day, that is less than 4 times per hour. Given a 6.5 hour trading day, I'm assuming that it's during the trading day you've set the hours to that, or if you're doing 24 hours, then that's less than 1 trade per hour. So that would explain your trade frequency problem. If you're only trying to get 25 trades a day, and I've gotten, I think, like 6 or 7 trades, and I've only been trading for less than 5 minutes. So yeah, I would just suggest increasing the number from 25. Would you explain about aggregated data, how can we subscribe? So with rhythmic data, if you're trading on a prop firm, there is something that is usually enabled by default. It's called enable aggregated data. You want to disable this, or else your order flow data is going to come out fragmented and inaccurate. Just got filled into a long trade. If we get stopped out on, okay, we did get stopped out on that one. We are going to be switching it into regression mode because we are likely going to get the formation of this new range here. We did have that divergence at 809. Ended up getting stopped out of that trade there, back down to 4,000. We are going to switch to trend mode to try and take advantage of this, what seems like to be a downturn. We broke out of this range here, and we're now going to likely continue downward. And if not, we should be okay though. So guys, the aggregated quotes option is going to be able to be disabled on the login screen of Rhythmic. How would the bot help with my trading? So what Polarity does is it automatically enters based off of order flow imbalances and uses machine learning to optimize when those order flow imbalances are taken into consideration. So with software, once you arm the strategy, it is enabled and there's no more input required. And the software will automatically take trades and manage those trades once it's entered for at least a desired outcome. You can see here we had a divergence at 816 and the formation of this new derived zone. We are going to be switching it into regression at this point. We just got filled into a long trade here. Ended up winning that one up to 4,400 in the day now. This is interesting. We just had a breakout at this point. We may need to switch into trend mode already. Also, guys, stay tuned for the update that is being pushed out today. It's going to include a new way to share and load models with other people, and the ability to manage those models inside of a standalone browser. This will allow you guys to load the multiple models that we are going to be sending out. We're going to be sending out quite a few with this next update, so that is, I think you guys are going to find that very valuable, specifically with different trading strategies. So this update is going to be much more stable, and we fixed a lot of the bugs that you guys may have been encountering before. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of